Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today I am doing an unboxing video. I was sent phone cases from a company by the name of Poetic cases. Let me just make sure that I'm saying it correctly. Yes, it's Poetic, and I'm going to have their website linked down below. So I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm really pleased with it. I've done a few videos about the phone so far. Well, honestly, more than a few videos. I've done the unboxing. I did my initial review. I did what was on my iPhone, and I also have done previous phone case unboxings for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So if you are interested in any of those videos, be sure to check out my channel. I kind of have them sprinkled throughout. So today, like I mentioned, I'm going to be unboxing more cases. This is what the phone looks like. If you are interested in the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So right now I have a clear case on my phone. I typically resort back to the clear cases. I fall in love with other cases. I did an unboxing on the wallet phone cases. I'm just looking at my cases. One moment. Let me go get some of the cases that I did an unboxing on just to kind of bring you up to speed if you haven't watched those videos. So I've done some videos on like wallet phone cases. I've done some videos on this kind of case. It's still, you know, clear like I like, but it still does give you like a little bit of design if you kind of want to just be a little bit extra that day, or if you want to match up your case with your outfit or your accessories. You know, you have options like that. I didn't do an unboxing on this case. I just left a review on Amazon about it, but I have a case like this, and you know, I just have other cases in here. So I've done videos on all of these cases. So again, if you are interested, be sure to check them out. So let's go ahead and open up this case and see what they look like. And I'm going to be doing like a try on with the case as well. So the package comes like this. I'm not sure if this company is on Amazon or not, but again, I will leave their information down below in the description bar. So I open it up and I have 4 phone cases. Now, just as a disclosure, I don't know if these cases are exactly the same, just different colors. I don't know really how these cases are going to look. I looked at their website, but they have lots of options to choose from, so I'm not sure what was sent to me, but I'm really excited. So we're going to find out together. So this is how it comes packaged. It says Pop Shine Marble Series for iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it says pink. If you watch my channel, if you know me, you know my favorite color is pink. So I'm super excited that I chose this to open first. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Oh wow, I can see something peeking through, and it looks cute already. I think it's like a box, another box that I need to open. I love when items are packaged thoroughly, you know, like when you get it and it's not just thrown in the bag, especially if it's like a case or a small accessory. Because sometimes, you know, I don't know, it just, to me, it just looks better, in my opinion. So this is how the phone case box looks, and this is beautiful. I was not expecting this. I'm trying to get it so that you can see it really good. That's really, really pretty. And it says Pop Shine. Let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like. Whoa, this is what the case looks like. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love this case. This is really, really pretty. Look at this. Whoa, and it has a glossy finish. This is beautiful. Yep, this is the case that I'm wearing today. I already know, I don't care. I was gonna say, I don't care what the other cases look like. I chose my favorite already. Let's go ahead and just end the video. This is the case that we were waiting for. No, I'm just kidding. I know not everyone loves pink, but this is beautiful. Let's put it on and see what it looks like. Oh, that is cute. Look at this. I'm sorry, but this looks nice. I wasn't expecting it to look like this. So this looks really beautiful. It feels really good. It has detail on the side as well. You can kind of see that. Everything looks really well. The buttons don't feel too hard to push. Sometimes when you get cases, it can be hard to push the button, or you know, the buttons may feel stiff, but I don't feel any of that with this. It fits perfectly. Sometimes when you get cases, the charger port isn't cut out properly, so it doesn't look like it fits. You know what I mean? Like, it looks like it fits, but it's not cut out properly, if that makes sense. I wish I had a case to show you what I'm referring to, but I don't. So, you know, everything fits and matches up well, and it looks gorgeous. So I love this case. Let's go ahead and open the next one. All right, the next one comes packaged the same way. This one says blue. I like blue too. Oh, I'm getting a peek of the box for the blue. I believe it's the same. And it is. It's the same. So let's go ahead and try on the blue case. This is what the blue looks like, and the blue looks really pretty too. When you pull it out of the case, it does have this like wrapper over it, and I didn't notice that initially. When I pulled out the pink case, I thought that it was like a matte color. I didn't know that it had gloss to it because this wrapper was over it. So there is a wrapper that comes over the cases, and the design is pretty. They're actually very similar. I think it may be the same design, just a different color. So I'm going to go ahead and try on the blue case as well. The cases are very easy to remove and maneuver. You know, some cases are not. Some cases it kind of takes a while for you to put them on and take them off, but these cases kind of fit right on. They're really, really pretty. And another thing that I like about these cases is that it doesn't look like, I don't see too many of these cases every day. You know what I mean? Like, sometimes you can see cases, the same type of cases, constantly, you know, and you go out and you see everyone has the same case. And so one thing that I'm picking up that I really love about these cases so far is that they're all unique. And, you know, as far as the color and the design, I just don't see too many cases like this. Now, I may be wrong. I'm not out all day, every day, but I'm just saying when I am out, I've never seen a case like this. So this case is beautiful as well. Has a gloss. I really like the color. I like the design. It's really pretty. And it stands out, you know what I mean? Like, it stands out in a way that's not too much for me. It's still classy and cute, but it still can be like a statement piece in my opinion. So that's the blue. Same detail on the side. It's the same case, but it's a different color. All right, let's go ahead and move to the next case. Okay. Now this box looks a little bit different as it's peeking through. It's not a pink and blue case. Now this one says Poetic. So just has a different packaging from this. Okay, now let's see what this says. This doesn't give me a color on the back, I don't believe, but that's okay. Well, it says clear. So let's go ahead and see what this one looks like. Oh, okay. It also comes with a card inside of this box. Thank you for choosing Poetic. Don't forget to leave us a review on Amazon. We appreciate your time and support. So this company, like I mentioned before, it is on Amazon. I would just look up Poetic under Amazon. We love your pictures at Poetic. Send us a picture of you rocking our Poetic cases, and we will send you a mystery gift as a token of our appreciation, and then it leaves their email address. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you close up of what the card looks like. All right, and then this is what the case looks like. So the case is clear, and it's a different design from the pink and the blue case. So let's go ahead and try this on. Now this is wrapped nicely as well. It's wrapped different, but it's still wrapped nicely. So this is what this case looks like. This case is way more, in my opinion, it's more sturdy than these cases. These cases are beautiful, but they're not flimsy. Like, they're not too flimsy, but they're not as durable as this case. So if you're looking for a case that's going to give you more protection, then I would look into this case. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on and see what this one looks like on the phone. Okay, So this is what this case looks like. I like this case too. Like I said in the beginning, I really like clear cases. Clear cases just, I always resort back to a clear case. No matter what case I'm rocking, I can be wearing that case for maybe a few days, maybe a week if I just don't feel like changing it. But then I always go back to a clear case. Clear cases just look, I mean, you can't go wrong with them. They look polished, nice, neat. You know, they kind of go with everything, and it lets you see the true color of the device that you chose. I recently saw the Midnight Green phone, the 11 Pro Max Midnight Green, and I saw it in person and it was beautiful. I'm like, dang, I should have got that color, but I'm still happy with the white that I got. You know, it still looks really pretty, and so I like to see the color on my phone, you know what I mean? For me, a perk is being able to see the color of your phone that you decided to go with, and so clear definitely gives you that ability to see what you chose, and for others to see what you chose as well. And so this looks really pretty to me. It is more durable, so I'm going to kind of show you the detail on the back. It's more durable. It also has like these rugged bumpers on the side to kind of protect it from impact in case it drops or falls, you know, out of your hand, out of your pocket, you know. The buttons are not hard to press. I can still press buttons. Everything's cut perfectly, so the case definitely fits. It looks really, really pretty. And it's very sturdy. The case that I was wearing before, just the regular silver, not the silver, the regular clear case just looked like this. So if you can kind of compare these cases, there's nothing wrong with this case. I'm not knocking it at all. I've been wearing this case for a while. It's old, reliable, but I'm just saying that you can definitely see the difference in durability between the two cases. I'm going to go ahead and take it off just so you can see what I'm referring to. This case is a little harder to take off, but I believe it's because you have added protection, but it's not too hard. It's not like, you know, you can't take it off with nails. It's not like you're going to need a tool or additional help to take it off. At least I don't think you will. I didn't need any additional assistance. It was pretty easy to take off. Now, some cases I do need like a tool or a hand or, you know, someone to help me put the cases on, because some cases are just hard to get off and put on, but this case is not. So you can kind of tell the difference. This one definitely provides more protection for your phone, and it's harder. So just showing you the case that I was wearing. I believe I got this from Five Below. Nothing's wrong with it. I'm just saying I wanted to show you the difference. This case definitely feels more durable. All right, let's go ahead and open the last case. So the last case. Okay, the last case comes in a package just like the other. And this one says that it's purple. I love purple too. Pink, blue, and purple. Can't go wrong with those colors. Not in my eye. And these cases are so beautiful. So, oh my gosh. Now, I know there's going to be some people that are going to absolutely love this case. So this case comes packaged the same way. It still has its protective cover over it, or wrapper over it. Look at this. It's purple, pink, and gold. This is beautiful. Go ahead and take out this. Let's put this on the phone. And I'm sorry if this video I've been looking at the cases and not looking at you all, because these cases they have my attention. So I'm kind of looking at the case through the camera. So I'm sorry about that. But this case is gorgeous. The same design, same detail on the sides. Everything fits perfectly. The buttons are not too hard to press, and it just looks gorgeous. So what we're gonna do, like I did in my last phone case unboxing video, let's go ahead and rate, not even rate the cases. I'm going to rate the cases, and then you comment below which one is your favorite. So I'm going to do 1 through 5. 1 through 5, I would definitely give these, I would give these cases a 5. I'm not going to lie. Why? Because they don't feel too cheap. Normally, like, I don't want to say normally, but a lot of times when you get cases like this, it's like just a piece of paper that's not even connected to the inside of the case that gives it this design. But if you look closely, this case is well created. It's well crafted in my opinion, because there's nothing that's going to the paper's not going to slip out. You can't just physically remove it. So it's embedded in the case. Either that or it's stuck on the bag. It's done in a way that looks better and feels better, and it feels like you're gonna have a more like durable case, and the longevity is gonna be a little bit longer than some of the other cheaper cases. I'm going to have the link below, like I said many a time, so I'm not going to really go over the pricing or anything like that. But as far as how the cases look, how they feel, how easy the cases are to put on and off the phone, I would definitely give these cases a 5 out of 5. Also, I didn't have any issues working with the seller. Customer service is a really big thing to me, so I take into account how companies reach out, how the communication is back and forth, and I can just let you know that I didn't have any issues communicating with the company. These cases are definitely pretty. I would even order from this company. So here are the cases again. We have the clear one that provides more protection, in my opinion, than the other cases. And then we have the blue case, we have the purple, and then we also have my favorite, which is the pink. I don't know if I want to put the pink or the clear one on today. I don't know, it's a hard choice. But I think I may just put the clear one on though. Yeah, I like that. All right, so let me know in the comments which one was your favorite case. I get some funny comments down below whenever I do phone unboxing videos or whenever I do case unboxing videos, and people are like, just get to the point, hurry up and rush through and show me all the cases. And it's like, I like to take my time. I like to unbox the cases how I like to unbox the cases. So I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.